Yo, it's Ezekiel with the Iron Collective. And Vikingbags just sent me these 35-liter Ghost extra large roll top saddlebags for my 2004 Sportster 883. And I'm super excited. Let's check them out. Right off the bat, you'll see they got a real tight, slick design. And from the back, you could tell that they fit right up against my bike. I love that. They actually have a cutout in the back of the bag for my suspension, so it fits right up tight to the bike. Using these super simple pull tabs right here and this roll top design, it makes it real quick and easy to get in and out, not to mention all the extra space. And if you got some extra gear, we can loosen these straps up right here to make sure everything fits. I'll show you how. The Viking Ghost 35-liter saddlebags are built from durable Viking leather and designed to give your Harley Sportster a clean, low-profile look without sacrificing any storage space. With a combined 35-liter capacity and expandable roll-top design, they're perfect for daily rides or weekend trips. Body panels and a metal frame help the bags maintain their shape, while weather-resistant construction protects all your gear. They feature a built-in shock cutout, they work with stock turn signals, and they require no license plate relocation on most OEM setups. And they include pre-drilled mounting holes and bike-specific hardware for easy installation. Overall, I'm really impressed with these bags. A huge thank you to Vikingbags for sending them to me and giving me the awesome opportunity to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the road.